Do you want to know how you can increase your income without working more? It's pretty easy, really. It's called scaling up your income, creating scalable sources of income. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to give you some ideas on how to do it in this video because I've done it for almost 10 years now. I've scaled up my income and I didn't have to work any more than I normally would. So picture this. Imagine that you might probably know people that get paid a certain hourly rate, right? They get paid by hour, a certain amount. Some jobs pay more than others by the hour, but they're limited by the hour on how much they make, their hourly rate. And unless they work overtime, unless they get a raise, it's all going to pay the same, no matter how hard they work or how less they work. That hour, it pays the same. Same way with if you know somebody that gets paid on a salary, by a salary. They better hope that they get a promotion or they get a bonus. If not, they're going to get paid the same every year based on their salary. But when you create scalable income, it's unlimited. You can work a certain amount of time and you can get paid over and over and over again based on that scalable income that you created. So what are some ideas? What are some examples of scalable income? Well, I know about 8-10 years ago, I started creating scalable income in the form of digital downloads, digital products. So whether that's a tutorial or a guide of some kind, ebooks, created ebooks that people can buy. So I typed out an ebook, typed out a digital downloadable product one time. That's the amount of time I invested in that particular source of income, and I put it on YouTube or put it on a website that I owned, and I got paid over and over and over again for the same amount of work, the same amount of time. And it does take time initially. Don't let anybody fool you. All these passive income gurus, hardly any income is 100% passive, right? Except like dividend stocks or something like that. After that initial work that you do, you could get paid over and over and over again. So digital products, ebooks were some of the ways I started making money that was scalable. And it's amazing when you first start seeing the fruits of your labor over and over again. It's amazing. It's a wonderful thing. So hopefully, if you're interested in scaling your income, maybe those would be two ways that you can do it. Digital downloadable products and ebooks. YouTube is another wonderful way of scaling your income. If you make a video, you potentially have all around the world, millions of people, thousands of people could watch your videos over and over again, even though it only took you 2, 4, 5 hours to create and edit a video and upload it on YouTube, create the thumbnail and all that. You could still get paid over and over again every month from a video that you created that helps people, that entertains people. So YouTube is another form of scalable income. You invest the time and energy one time for a set amount of time, but you could get paid over and over and over again for creating that video. And I've created several, what I call, by my standards, successful YouTube channels over the years, ever since 2014. And you get paid, you get an income source in your ad revenue from YouTube, Google AdSense. You could put those digital links to those digital products in your video description. And there's you can, from that, thank goodness for a platform like YouTube, you could get paid over and over again in multiple ways, multiple sources of income, by putting links to your ebooks, your downloadable digital products, and you get the ad revenue from YouTube, Google AdSense. So that's another form if you're interested, if you like creating videos. Another thing is creating courses. If you sell courses, if you have some knowledge, expertise in a certain area, you could create a course that, it takes a lot of time to do that. I've been teaching courses, online courses, since 2010 or 2011. And it takes a long time to build your course, to organize your course, put all the content on your course. But once you do, you can reap the rewards over and over again, and they sell pretty good. And it's a great money maker. So creating courses. And then affiliate links is another way that you can scale your income without working more. What are affiliate links? Use YouTube as an example, or a website if you have your own website. So imagine if somebody is learning how to play the guitar. And I've been playing the guitar since I was 8 years old, so I feel pretty confident that I can show people how to play the guitar, how to teach guitar. I can make a guitar course. I can make a guitar ebook, a downloadable digital product on how to play certain songs or certain chords. And I can also be like, hey, if you're looking to buy a guitar, if you're just starting to learn how to play the guitar and you want a great beginner guitar that is comfortable, easy to play, won't hurt your fingers, and it sounds great, well then consider getting a blah, 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 like a guitar like that, let's say. And I'm not gonna say the brand or model number, but I can promote that guitar and say, this is a wonderful guitar if you're beginning to learn to play the guitar. And I can get what's called an affiliate link. An affiliate link is where I would put that in the YouTube description or on my website about playing the guitar. And if somebody was interested, they could click on that, buy the guitar. Doesn't cost them any more, but I do get a commission because I promoted that product. I'm an affiliate for that, in this case, particular brand of guitar. If people buy that guitar by using my affiliate link, then you get, in the case of me, I get some money, a cut of that profit, a commission. And if you have a big enough audience, if you have enough people buying your products and services that you're promoting through affiliate links, then you can make another recurring revenue of income. That's why you see a lot of these YouTubers put affiliate links in their video description. So affiliate links is another wonderful way. You just make a video about promoting a guitar or whatever, and then you put those links in the description below. And again, you not only can you promote the guitar, you can say these are great strings that go on the guitar. This is a great tuner that you can use for that guitar. Like, you can put all those links in there and you get a cut of all those sales that you get from doing that particular video on that particular product. So products and services you could promote. You see this a lot with credit card, people promoting credit card companies and software, all kinds of things. So affiliate links is another way to increase your income, scale your income without having to work anymore. All right, but the main thing is scale your income. Find ways to scale your income where you don't have to work any harder, any longer. You can create a product, you could create all these different income sources, affiliate links, digital downloads, ebooks, YouTube videos, courses, that initial investment of time, energy, and sometimes money in creating those products, but you could keep getting paid over and over again. So if you are looking to increase your income without working any more, any harder, any longer, then you gotta find ways to scale your income. If your income sources are scalable, the sky's the limit and you can reach financial freedom. You can have money working for you even when you sleep, even when you're eating dinner, even when you're hanging out with friends and watching television. You can have money working for you. And that's how you do it, a scalable income. You gotta create scalable income if you want to increase your income without working any harder. So if you like this video, if this video has been helpful to you, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. And if you want all kinds of videos to show you how to make money, save money, invest money so you can live life on your own terms and you can make money work for you, and that way you can work because you want to and not because you have to, and one day you can reach financial freedom, then I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, because I'll show you all kinds of ways to do just that. I've been doing that since 2014. I can show you how to have good credit, how to establish your credit, build your credit, anything that involves increasing your earning power, your spending power, and how to be good with money. This channel can help you out. So I appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so we can help you get started on your own financial freedom journey. All the best. Take care.